This is Travis with Premier Fresh Washing, and today we've had some gutter cleaning. We got a house wash coming up and a bunch of concrete for the pool deck, and we're going to get all this cleaned up for our valued customer today that hasn't had a cleaning in quite some time. If you're getting ready to have all the pollen removed from your house or just need a mildew and dirt buildup cleaned up because it's been a while, please give us a call at 850-879-2003. Thanks so much.